I mean, do I need to say anything at all? This needs to be framed. Guys, this needs to be framed. Here you have our extremely beloved charmer, SRK, who was playing his own fan and fan. And here you have Shriya Pulgaonkar playing, not playing, she's actually Shah Rukh's fan as well.
Wait a minute. Did you notice that beautiful sleek tablet? Yes, we have upgraded to the new Galaxy Tab S10 series, Samsung's first AI-powered tablet with enhanced capabilities and stunning specs. Now, isn't that epic? Every picture tells a story now on the new Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. Hi Shriya.
Hi.
Today we're going to show you a bunch of your photographs and memories. You need to tell us the stories behind it, okay?
I'm super excited. Should I flip this?
Yes.
Oh, that's baby Chiu. So my pet name at home is Chiu. Chiu means baby sparrow. So it's a very common Maharashtrian cute pet name that you may call like a really young, cute girl. And I'm not sure what I'm doing here. I was a very dramatic kid, but always smiling, not cribbing, and always ready to give a performance. So clearly, मैं कुछ perform कर रही हूँ. Either that or I'm hungry. I don't know. But being hungry sounds more like me because I'm constantly hungry. Hey, Pulgaonkar's in the house. My memory of this picture is that I was filming in Goa for a month, and every weekend we would have family and friends visiting, and my folks came to visit me one weekend, and we do a lot of Goa trips as a family because it's a quick getaway. And also I'm Goan from my father's side. Pulgaon is in Goa, so of course we like our fish, we like to unwind, and I love to travel. So whenever we get to go out, even for 2 days, I make sure I maximize those 48 hours. So yeah, this is just a special memory from that trip. I mean, do I need to say anything at all? This needs to be framed. Guys, this needs to be framed. This is a very special memory from my debut Hindi film, Fan. And here you have our extremely beloved charmer, SRK, who was playing his own fan and fan. And here you have Shriya Pulgaonkar playing, not playing, she's actually Shah Rukh's fan as well. I think Manish Sharma, my director, took this picture. And the reason why this is so special is because this was a genuine, candid moment, not a planned moment. It was a genuine, candid moment. And we were filming a scene in Delhi in an actual colony. And everybody around was screaming his name. So we were asked to just sit in the car while they just calmed down everyone. And we were sitting, and I actually remember what we were talking about. Right before this picture, we were discussing books. We were discussing how we like to highlight and make notes in our books. And we were also discussing, he was talking about just how actors are like philosophers. And I remember sitting in the driver's seat and chatting with him like that, and I think it's such cute. My most special memory has to be after the wrap of Fan. We were in his room, the entire crew, and I got to do Chaiya Chaiya with him. I mean, iconic, yeah. That's such a sweet, special memory that I have. Yeah, I hope to meet him soon. Too bad that in Fan, my character had to friend zone him. I mean, we need to do another film, Shah Rukh, just so that I could do a song with you, which I couldn't do. Yeah. Oh, Ganpati Bappa Moria. This is, oh my God, this was a beautiful evening at Shankar Mahadevan's home with his entire family. Such a wonderful, warm, genuine, and such a talented bunch. This was a lovely evening because, of course, they have Ganpati Bappa every year at home. And this specific evening, we had the most enchanting performances. We had Tawfiq Qureshi, Zakir Hussain, we had Shiv Mani, and it was a dream come true to watch all of them jam. Shankar sir was jamming, and it was just it was a divine atmosphere in his house. And you know, they're genuinely such incredible souls, and that just reflects in their music even. So yeah, my family and I visited, and I just remember we were there till I think 3-4 in the morning. People were just coming and singing and just goosebumps. The best concert.
Shreya, we've changed something in this image
Okay.
using the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra sketch to image feature. We want you to guess what's different in this picture.
Oh, I know what you've done. I'm sorry. I know because I'm not even looking at myself right now. This cutie doggy wasn't in the picture, am I right?
Yes.
I mean, that's the first thing I saw, and trust me, if the dog was the puppy was actually there in the picture, I wouldn't be relaxing like that. I would be just cuddling with the puppy. Oh my god. So this is my food coma state. Yes. I was in Australia, and the food in Australia is so good. I think I was just in MasterChef Australia mode throughout my trip. And I was like, I give this a 10 out of 10. I was just that person throughout the trip. And I love grass, I love open spaces. You can't really do that here in Mumbai because we don't have much grass here. But whenever I see an empty patch, I just want to just sort of lie down. And I thought the grave bit was kind of creepy and funny. Of course, it's not a real grave, but I think this was outside a restaurant, so it was meant to give like, okay, food coma, now I can die happily vibes, right? So that was the mood. But surely if that was a puppy, then that puppy and I would be just cuddling. So yeah, I caught that, guys. Ali, my guddu. Oh, this is such a sweet picture. So this is right after Mirzapur. Right after Mirzapur, Ali and I got together to shoot a film called House Arrest, which was so different from our Guddu Sweetie vibe, and that's what was so fun for us to do. So fun fact, we shot this entire film in one look, and it's the story of one day. So we were in one apartment, and Jim Sard was also in the film, and it was such a fun film. It's on Netflix, I think. It was one of the earlier Netflix originals. It was so much fun. I love working with Ali. I think him and I have this natural tuning as actors, and even before acting, actually, he was in my college, St. Xavier's College. So I remember seeing him once, and cut to Mirzapur. Oh, I can't react normally when I see animals. It's a problem. I end up doing wujoo, wujoo, wujoo. I can't be normal. Oh my god, firstly, how beautiful is this elephant? Oh, I love elephants. So this picture is a BDS from my debut Tamil Telugu film. The Hindi name was Hathi Mere Saathi. Ananya Kadan was the Tamil Telugu name. And it starred Rana Daggubati, who's fantastic in the film. It's directed by National Award-winning director Prabhu Solomon. We actually were shooting in... it was actually a forest reserve, but there were wild elephants. And this one is actually a star. I think his name was Unni Krishnan, if I'm not mistaken. Beautiful, very well taken care of. And honestly, this was when I had finished my work for the day, and I just wanted to take his blessings. Yeah, what a sweet, gentle holiday of my dreams. Oh, this is the wonderful team of my film Dry Day, MA Entertainment. That's Madhu, Nikhil sir, Monisha, and that's Saurabh sir. Of course, we all know and love Saurabh sir. He directed me in my film Dry Day, and Jeetu was also part of the film. And we shot this film in Bhopal. And guys, I can't tell you how happy I was to just leave Mumbai and shoot outside Mumbai, because the year before this, I'd shot everything. Taza Khabar was in Mumbai, Broken News was in Mumbai. I shot a film called Ishke Nadan, that was in Mumbai. So just getting to go to beautiful Bhopal and to shoot there was amazing. And it was perfect cold weather. Bhopal ka khana to amazing. Yeah. Oh my God. A lot of people were jealous. I have to say, a lot of people were jealous. Full disclosure, this was the first time I attended a cricket match. And where was the first time? At the MCG T20 World Cup final, India versus Pakistan. Guys, come on. I mean, obviously, people hated me that I was there, because a lot of people were jumping at the opportunity. This was in Australia, Melbourne, and firstly, the MCG is so beautiful. We were in this amazing suite, and this match has caused me multiple heart attacks, because if you guys remember, it was a very dramatic match. So yeah. आज की ताज़ा खबर ये है कि ताज़ा खबर सीजन 2 रिलीज हो गया है, एंड आई एम श्योर आपने अब तक तो देखा ही होगा वो. I love this photo. This was actually the first week, I think, of filming Taza Khabar, and this is the scene where Vasya rescues Madhu from the brothel, and he says, "Kidhar ja rahe hain?" And she says, no, she says "Kidhar ja rahe hain?" and he says "Auqat ke bahar," and that line, is so famous now, and it's the perfect philosophy for this show. And this moment was really sweet because we were filming at Marine Drive at 3 in the morning. Everything was cordoned off, and Bhuvan and I were sitting. It was just the Queen's necklace and beautiful wind and just under the stars. We just shot a beautiful scene, and he said to me that this is such a full circle moment, because when I came to Mumbai, I came here and I had all these dreams, and here I am. This is my production, and I'm starring in this show, and I'm shooting here. It's so special. And I said the exact same thing to him, that even though I'm a Mumbai-chi mulgi, I've studied at St. Xavier's College, every actor has this on their bucket list. They all want to do one scene or one song at Marine Drive, which is such an iconic Mumbai visual. So this was during that shoot. Oh, an iconic moment, ladies and gentlemen. Mirzapur fans in the house, who can forget the grand death? This image is when Bablu and Sweetie were waiting to go down. And I love this picture because I remember we were filming the climax of Mirzapur season 1 over 3 nights. And it was fun, but it was emotionally exhausting, because by this time, all of us had become good friends. We had gotten into the character, and the sense of what was happening was looming large. A lot was happening. It was really intense. And after some time, it just became funny, because Vikrant and I were lying on the floor. We were waiting to die, essentially. And after the gunshot scene, we had to just lie around with that blood, because there were many other angles and takes. And there's one meme which everybody really loves, where I'm laughing. I'm on the floor. Have you seen it? Where I'm lying down and I have this big smile on my face. It looks like a dead person smiling, like Joker smiling. Yeah, I'm sure you'll find it. And this is where Vikrant and I are just like, peace out, guys. It's on you now. Take season 2 forward. Do us proud. See you in heaven. That's the vibe. My Jacku. This is Raksha Bandhan, Rakhi. On Rakhi, I tie Rakhi to my Jack. My sweetheart Jack. Actually, we're not seeing the full image right now. He is so handsome and he's such a special dog. I adopted Jack 10 years ago. And I was filming, I was helping shoot for this adoption camp. And all the obviously cute dogs with ribbons were getting adopted. And there was a table where there was one Langda dog, one dog with no eye. And then I saw this dog who had only one eye, black and white. Something very special about him, and his name was Tom back then, and his brother's name was Jerry. I went back and I made a note in my diary that, this dog, I felt a connection with him. I'm all about a connection. So I felt a connection with this dog. Next thing you know, my mother and I have gone and we've got Jack home. And we named him Jack because Jack Pirate, One-Eyed Jack. He's a gangster. He's Mawali energy. My dog. I love him. And he's bukkad like me. I love this. This is my favorite photo. That's my Azoba. That's my very cool Azoba, Arun Sabnis, who I mentioned earlier. He's 86 years old. He's traveled to more than 100 countries. And this was a trip that grandfather and granddaughter did. We went to Iceland together. And this was this is a sulfur pool basically. And it was really cold outside, really hot. And they gave us this face mask. It's such a special moment. This makes me emotional because I'm so close to my grandfather. And these moments of seeing the world with him, listening to his stories are so important for me. And these are stories that I have to take forward as his grandchild. What an inspiring life he's had. And, it's a privilege to travel with him. And as a child, he would take me, and then when I grow up, I take him. Oh my god! This is really cute, but you can't see what's happening here. So in the original picture, Papa and I'm sitting on Papa's lap, and Papa has a clapboard on his lap. Actually, that is what makes the picture interesting. That's not there right now here. He has a clapboard on his lap, and with a chalk, I'm writing on it. That's it.
But then, during the interview, our team has taken a photograph of yours from our Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. We'll just quick share it, and you just have to autograph it.
Okay, done. My handwriting hasn't changed since the 5th standard. So embarrassing.